Hi, I'm Jacklyn, and I'm a Manufacturing Technology Senior Engineer in Pall, Singapore. Our customers make semiconductors that go into anything from phones to EVs. These chips need to be free of impurities, and that's where advanced filters from Pall come in. My job is to ensure that the filters we provide to chip manufacturers are best in class. I started my career in semiconductor manufacturing. This made me realize that the quality of equipment we use can have a huge impact on our manufacturing processes. That's why I decided to venture into equipment development when I was looking for a new challenge, becoming the first female manufacturing technology engineer in Pall. I went to Japan, Beijing, and the US for training, and came back with a deeper understanding of customer needs in different markets. I also helped to set up Pall's new facility here. We are now growing towards digitalisation and automation, and looking at how we can better use data to improve our productivity. I'm excited to continue driving innovation that can help strengthen our role in the global semiconductor industry.